So I've built a Discord bot which sends daily messages on my Discord channel. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also build this under 3 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Then just log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard, click on this create workflow and then create from scratch. Just name your workflow. So I'm just going to name this workflow as Discord bot and then I am just going to move it further. Click on this create button. You can choose the folder according to your own choice. Once this window is going to open, click on this add trigger and then you have to select the trigger application as schedule. For the event selected as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now you just have to choose when you want to run this workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day at 1 p.m. So I've selected the same and click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day at 1 p.m. Now using AI, I'm just going to generate a new message for every day and I'm just going to share it on my Discord channel. For that, click on this add new action step and search for your AI. So I'm just going to use Gemini. So let me just search for the same and select it right over here. Over here, I've used OpenAI. So you can use any AI application according to your own choice. For the event, select it as generate content in case of Gemini and click on this connect, add a new connection and it is going to ask you for the API key. So to get this API key, just go on your Google AI Studio. From the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section and then you have to click on this create API key button, name your key, choose the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Just copy and paste the key right over here. I have already entered my key, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. You just have to enter your key, click on the save and this window will appear. Over here you have to enter the text, which is the prompt using which we're going to generate the message. So as you can see, this is the text. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste the same prompt right over here. If you want this prompt, comment prompt and I'll share it with you. For the model, I'm just going to choose the model of my choice. For the method, everyone has to choose generate content and click on the save and send test request button. I've entered the prompt according to the message I want. To have to enter it according to yours. As you can see, we have received this message, so let's just post it on our Discord. For that, click on this add new action step, search for Discord and select Discord right over here. Now for the event, select it as send channel message, click on this connect, add a new connection and then connect with Discord. Make sure your Discord account is logged in before starting with the automation, otherwise Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account. Then only going to get this option to click on this connect with Discord and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Give Pabbly all the permissions, choose your server, click on this continue and then authorize and your Discord is connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, you have to get the webhook ID and the token. So to get this, just open your Discord. Over here, you're going to see the channel in which you want to send the message. Go on the edit channel for the same, click on this integrations, go on this webhooks and click on this new webhook button. A webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. Just name the webhook, select the channel, click on this copy webhook URL and paste the webhook URL right over here. In this webhook URL, only you have the ID and the token. So whatever is after the last slash is the token. So just cut and paste it in the token section and whatever number is written right over here is your ID, so just keep it as it is. Now for the text, yes, AI has generated that text, so I'm just going to enter it, but we're not going to copy paste it, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. We do this to run our workflow in real time. Because we're going to generate a new message every day, we can't enter it manually. ID and token will remain same, but this should change. So for that, put a slash and just simply map the response of Gemini. It is going to ask you for many other details you have. According to your own choice, you can enter it and click on the save and send test request button. You're going to receive the positive response like this. So just open your Discord and check. Yes, you have a new message right over here. So I'm just going to check the new message and this is the message like this. Every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Google AI is going to generate me a new message and that message will be posted on my Discord channel. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Because you have watched the video till here, I'll show you amazing discount coupon code RITYT which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first try it. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can also refer to that. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone.